So I grew up with a lot of blue-collar workers in my family, and I always wanted to do what they were doing. I always wanted to get experience with it, but them being men, they didn't take me serious enough for it. So I found this school as an opportunity to get to know that stuff better, and my dad's always had my back along the way, encouraging me to continue to learn more and take whatever classes I can to benefit myself and learn more about this stuff.
It wasn't my choice, but after being in the class for like a few weeks, we started doing plastic welding, and I thought that was really cool. I think it's important to know like a little bit about this stuff, like especially cars, because you're driving them like every day. It's important to know stuff about them.
The women that I have, the girls that I got, the young ladies, the first few years I was here, I had 4 or 5 maybe, within 100, 75 to 100 students. Now, some of my classes are close to 50% female. 95% of my students, it's their first year, level 1 students. Most of them are, 9th graders, freshmen. My goal for this program, for our auto cruising program, is just to get students to learn this industry. There's so much more than, than just banging out some dents on a fender, painting something at home. The automotive collision industry is it's gone in a whole other direction.
My goal is welding so far. I want to be able to get certs in that class and go far in it, possibly go to another trade after I graduate or college to better my knowledge of what I'm doing and increase or better my work, I would say. That's my goal, is I want to do welding when I get out of high school.
I probably knew how to change a spare tire, and that was about it. But when I came to this school, I learned how to use an alignment rack. I learned how to do my alignment myself. I learned how to change brakes. I learned how to rotate my tires. I learned how to do like all this type of stuff that you could do on your own and you wouldn't have to go to a shop for it. Like basic things.
A student can come in here with zero knowledge, and I'll try to work with them to get the vocabulary, get the identification, help them work wherever they are and take them to that next place in terms of their knowledge. So a kid can come in here with a lot of knowledge and still leave with more, and they can come in with no knowledge and leave with some.
I think it would have been my sophomore year when I finally started getting more into the class, because I was really shy at the beginning, because like I was the only girl here. So I would say it was an alignment, because I didn't know how to, I knew how to do it, but I've never done it. So the first time I did it by myself, I felt really proud of myself, because I'm like, I just did this.
I think it takes a certain type of student that can come to a traditionally male school and focus on a traditionally male vocation. In my experience with female students here at ECO, they're usually very independent, strong-willed, and fun to be around. Honestly, they work hard. They focus more on the specific details, and usually aren't happy to just kind of let things go. They like to get things done and done right.
I think since freshman year I was I want to do this for a living. I enjoy doing it, and it's something that catches my eye, my attention, and it's something I have a passion for, which I want to do it after I graduate. But I like to think big, and I would like to go to NASCAR engineering and stuff like that.